Don't let the Microsoft Visual C++ Library DLL stop your apps from running. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and here is the safe method to clear it for good. I recommend the automated system scan for Microsoft Visual C++ Library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Microsoft Visual C++ Library, a foundational interop library that allows .NET managed applications to communicate with native C++ libraries. It is a mandatory requirement for older 3D modeling and scientific software. If missing, the host application will crash, citing an assembly load failure. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Reinstalling Microsoft.NET will typically resolve this error. From Microsoft's website, download both x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables and install them. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Microsoft Visual C++ Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors from Microsoft Visual C++ Library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Microsoft Visual C++ library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.